You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting name pronunciation. This is also the name of a Swedish fashion brand. If you're looking after more luxury and clothing fashion brands, make sure to stay tuned. Kajsa. Kajsa is how it is pronounced. It's also a Swedish feminine given name. Kajsa. Kajsa. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.